Hi, I'm John Lane with Castle Rock Sprinkler, where we're all about beautiful lawns, efficient sprinkler systems, and festive holiday lights. Today, I want to talk to you about an innovation in the sprinkler systems that is a game changer and can save you a lot of money and can save us a lot of water. And I want to talk to you today about the Rainbird ESP-TM2 Wi-Fi enabled smart clock. I installed one of these 2 years ago in my house, and the comparison I make now between the old style clocks is I consider those to be Model Ts, and I consider these to be almost like a Tesla. And I'll tell you more why I think that in a little bit. According to Rainbird and the EPA, the WaterSense program that the EPA has, this clock combined with this device will save a homeowner 35% on their water bill over a season. And that's significant. I believe that we're all entitled to have a beautiful lawn, but I don't want to use one drop more of water than necessary to accomplish that. So I want to talk to you a little bit about the dilemma with the clocks that we currently have installed in our homes. These clocks are intimidating to homeowners. We get called out to set them, show the people how to run the clocks. Nobody wants to mess with it. I think that people know more about the engine inside their car than they do about the clock on the wall in their garage. Both of them cost money, by the way, when they run. So the idea is we come in the springtime, we turn your system on, we set it to sort of take care of the whole season. So we're hoping we get it set well enough that when it gets hot, you have enough water on the lawn. But what happens in the springtime before it gets hot? Well, you're watering the same level as you're going to be watering in July and August. What happens when it gets cooler in the spring? It's the same. And so there are opportunities there to adjust the clock for the seasons. With this new technology and these Wi-Fi enabled smart clocks, they automatically do that by monitoring a weather station. As the season goes along, every day you will see adjustments. If it gets really hot, it will take it up. If it gets cool, it will take it down. Also, with this device that hangs on the rain gutter, and it communicates with this device, which is connected to the clock, you can actually go in and set this. You can go from 1/8 of an inch up to 1/4 of an inch of water. So if we get rain, 1/8 of an inch overnight, it will disable the system, will stop it from running. It also has a freeze monitor. So if you start the system in April, and now it's snowing on the 1st of May, and it's below whatever temperature you set, 41, 38, 32, it will sense that via this and shut the system off. And the nice thing about it is, not only is it smart, but it is easy for you to use because it's all integrated into a smartphone app, which we're going to show you in a little bit. You can adjust it and run it just like a normal clock from the face of the clock. You can see the dial. Anything that you put on here will go into the app, and anything in the app will go to here, so they're totally synced up. There are some popular clocks out there that do not have the dials. I find those difficult when I go to homeowners that have that clock because how am I going to run it in the garage and test their system unless I get invited via the phone app and so on and so forth. So it makes it complicated. It's better to have a regular clock with regular settings and then the phone app on top of it. Another interesting feature of this system is it has smart home integration. Alexa, tell Rainbird to water the front lawn.
Okay, I started zone 3, front lawn for 10 minutes.
I want to show you how easy it is to program these clocks in the phone application. So let's say that we want to set up Monday, Wednesday, Friday for the system to run. So we would go to run days, just like that, and you can see that Monday is on, and then we would turn off Tuesday, Wednesday's on, turn off Thursday, Friday's on, turn off Saturday, and turn off Sunday. So now we have Monday, Wednesday, Friday. That's how easy it is to do on this clock. But now let me show you how easy it is to do on this phone. First of all, we hit the pencil for edit, and now you can see the days of the week across the screen. Monday was already turned on, so we add Wednesday and we add Friday. So there we go. Monday, Wednesday, Friday are now the watering days. And let's say that we want to set it to run at 1 a.m., 4 a.m., and 10 p.m., which is what I recommend. So all we have to do is go down to the start times, hit the plus, And the first one we want to do is 1 a.m. Hit done, there's one. Hit another plus. We want 4 a.m., done, and another plus. And we want 10 p.m., done. So there we just set Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 1, 4, and 10 p.m. the system to operate. Actually, I had an extra 4 in there. I just took it out. So let me show you another feature. Let's say that you live in Castle Rock where they have every third day watering. So then, in that case, we go to cycle. We'd say every third day. And let's say that you're a diamond and diamonds water tomorrow. We would put 1 day remaining, and we'd hit done. So now you're synced up with the Castle Rock water system just like that, watering 1, 4, and 10. I don't know what could be any easier than this. This phone app makes the whole irrigation, the whole running your system so much easier, and you'll want to engage it more once you know how simple it is and you actually can do it. Some of my customers, actually, I have their controller on my phone as well. I get notifications if there are problems with the system. It makes it really easy for them. We could talk about this clock all day, but you'd probably get bored with that. We can install it just as you see it here and program it and then show you how to run it. You just need to call the office or go online and use our online calendar and schedule an appointment. If you choose to just want the equipment and install it yourself, check in the description below and we have links for all the different products. These clocks come in several configurations. They come in clock for 6 zones, 8 zones, 12 zones, and then up to 22 zones using modules. And you can read more about that in the description below. I highly recommend that you get these clocks for the savings of money, also the savings of water, which is important, and also for the ease of use. If you like what you saw today, subscribe and like. More content is coming soon. Thanks again for watching.